students, our topic computer network. Computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. To share information and resources. The connection between the computers are established using either cable or wired media or wireless media. The best known computer network is the internet. The best known computer network is the internet. To share computer resources such as hard disk, printers, scanners, and CPU. To share data files over the network. To exchange information such as email, message documents. To have communication such as chatting, online meetings. The physical distance between two computers can vary from a few feet to several thousand kilometers. Here, the advantages of a network. Advantages of a computer network. Sharing resources, first of all. Computer networks not only provide the ability to share information, but also the resources. Resources can be hardware resources like printer, scanner, and hard disk, or software resources like application programs. For example, using a computer network, an expensive laser printer can be shared among the various employees in a department of company instead of giving each employee a separate laser printer. Cost reduction. Resource sharing results in cost reduction as cost of resource is shared. For example, multiple individual licensed copies of a popular software programs can be costly. Network versions of software are available at relatively low cost. Moreover, shared programs on a network allows for easy upgrading of the programs on a single file server instead of upgrading on individual computers. Connectivity and communication. Networks connect computers and uses of those computers. Once they are connected, it is possible for the user to communicate with each other. User can communicate efficiently and easily via mails, video conferencing, instant messaging, etc. Centralized software management. Software loaded on one computer can be used by all other computers connected to that computer, thus eliminating the need to spend time and energy installing the same software on different computers. For example, if in a network 20 users want to work with Oracle, then instead of installing Oracle on each computer, we can install it one single central computer and make it stable by others. Higher reliability and backup. In computer network, having alternative source of supply to provide higher reliability is one of the aims. For example, all the files could be replicated on more than one machine so that if one of the machine is unavailable due to some reasons, the other can be used. Networking also provides the facility of backup. In case if one computer fails, other can resume its functions. Improved performance. Another advantage the using network is the network's performance can be increased for some application by distributing the conceptual task and various computers. Disadvantages of network computer. Data security concern. A poorly secured network puts critical data at risk. For example, when files are shared among users, then there is always a threat that unauthorized users can alter or use this sensitive data. The responsibility of network administrator to take care such threats by issuing proper permission to various users and proper implementing the network, which improves that security of important data. Another disadvantage, network implementation cost. To set up a network requires investment in hardware and software. For small network of few PCs, this cost is smaller, but for large network, this cost can run in thousands or more. Threat from virus. The effect of OS on network is more as compared with stand-alone system because virus can easily spread one computer to another over networks. Illegal behavior. Network brings certain problems like illegal or unauthorized material, software privacy, and illegal use of computer resources.